big changes expected in Maharashtra. A day after the Maharashtra jolt to the NDA, Devendra Fadnavis has now offered to step down as the Deputy Chief Minister. He wants to opt out from government duties. He has written to the BJP top brass and he says, "Let me focus on the party." Devendra Fadnavis's message to the BJP top brass comes ahead of the assembly elections that are expected in Maharashtra. He says he wants to devote time for the assembly polls in Maharashtra. Listen in to his reaction.
महाराष्ट्र में चूंकि एक प्रकार से भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सारी जिम्मेदारी महाराष्ट्र में एक लीडर के रूप में मेरे ऊपर थी, तो ये जो हमारा महाराष्ट्र में डिबैकल हुआ है या जो हमें एक प्रकार से हार मिली है, हमारी सीटें कम हुई है, इसकी पूरी जिम्मेदारी ये मेरी है। मैं इस जिम्मेदारी को स्वीकारता हूं।
So Devendra Fadnavis taking responsibility for the drubbing in Maharashtra. The numbers were not up to mark for the BJP. What are the key reasons for it? Remember, this is also going to be very crucial because in a few months from now, Maharashtra is going into assembly polls. So Devendra Fadnavis saying that I want to focus on the assembly polls. I want to devote time for the party to work for the people, and I want to be relieved of the ministerial duties. That's a message that he has written. My colleague Shivani Mishra is joining us on the broadcast with the details of what this means. Shivani, Devendra Fadnavis taking responsibility for the BJP showing in Maharashtra. He has written to the BJP top brass and he says that I want to focus on the party and I want to devote my time for the state poll. So his message to the top brass being that for now I want to focus on the assembly elections in Maharashtra. All right, we'll go back to Shivani in just a moment. But this is what Devendra Fadnavis has said, saying, I want to opt out of the government duties and instead focus on the party for the state polls. Here's what he said.
महाराष्ट्र में चूंकि एक प्रकार से भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सारी जिम्मेदारी महाराष्ट्र में एक लीडर के रूप में मेरे ऊपर थी, तो ये जो हमारा महाराष्ट्र में डिबैकल हुआ है या जो हमें एक प्रकार से हार मिली है, हमारी सीटें कम हुई है, इसकी पूरी जिम्मेदारी ये मेरी है। मैं इस जिम्मेदारी को स्वीकारता हूं।
All right, so this is what Devendra Fadnavis said. Shivani Sharma joining us with the details of what this means because this is going to be very important for the BJP. The BJP was expecting big numbers in Maharashtra, but that clearly did not happen. After which Devendra Fadnavis has asked to be relieved from all government duties, saying that I want to instead focus on the party. Are there going to be changes? Remember, today there's also going to be an India meeting, the India bloc meeting that's expected in the national capital, where Uddhav Thackeray has said that he will not be attending. There are speculations that perhaps he may be sending out feelers to the NDA bloc. Are there going to be big changes in Maharashtra or not? That remains the question. Shivani is back with us. So Shivani, Devendra Fadnavis saying, let me focus on the party ahead of the state polls. What does this mean? Because in Maharashtra, there have been big changes with the Shiv Sena as well as the NCP being fractured. The BJP has not managed to get the numbers that it aimed to.
Well, definitely the number which the BJP, the NDA was expecting in Maharashtra, that has clearly failed. They were stating that they will cross the number of 45 seats, which has completely been failed. Not even 50% of the seats have been won by the Mahayuti in Maharashtra, and that's why the ultimate decision has been taken, or the call has been done by Devendra Fadnavis, where he states that he wants to leave his positions in the party so that he can concentrate on the party functioning, to grow the party. But interestingly, you have to see, in 2014 also, it was Devendra Fadnavis who took the charge of Maharashtra. In 2019, it was Devendra Fadnavis who took charge of Maharashtra. Then as a CM, later as Deputy CM, when Uddhav became CM, again it was Devendra Fadnavis. When Ajit Pawar became the Deputy CM, even that time for 30 hours, it was Devendra Fadnavis who was the CM. And continues to be seen that it is the Devendra Fadnavis who has always been keen a close watch on Maharashtra, no matter if it is breaking a party, making an alliance in the party, attracting the voters, attracting the policies, bringing peace amongst any of the community, no matter if it is a Maratha Arakshan that was an issue. It was always Devendra Fadnavis on the front foot, and it was Devendra Fadnavis as well, let's remember, who has challenged Ajit Pawar faction first. Later, when Ajit Pawar joined the hands with the NDA alliance in Maharashtra, it was again Devendra Fadnavis who challenged Uddhav Thackeray and Sharad Pawar, so that the real Shiv Sena and the real NCP is with them, and that's why they're going to win.
So
and that's why all eyes were on Devendra
in
Fadnavis.
Maharashtra. Shivani, as you're saying that, there has been a lot of churn over the last few months and now as well expected before the assembly elections as